Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Can you hear me, Anvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think yesterday we were on question answers, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Richa. Yesterday we were on question answers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kanishka. Beta, we were doing question answers or chapter was still going on?
Ma'am, chapter is going on.
Okay. We have not completed the reading part, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, like, without yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have completed the reading part.
Question answers we have to start, I believe, right?
Ma'am, but I think we have not completed the reading part.
No, it is completed, beta. Reading only you people only did no conservation of forest and other wala thing. Wildlife.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading is done. Only doing question answers is next, right? So we'll start with the exercises straight away. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's start. So who is going to read out the first question? Can we have Goranj doing it?
Okay, ma'am. The grassland of Brazilian highlands are also known as savannas.
It is Brazilian. It is Brazilian, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The correct, what did you tell the answer? The answer is?
Ma'am, savanna.
No, beta, savanna are not correct. They are talking about the Brazilian highlands. Who is going to tell?
Ma'am, campus. Campus.
Campus, exactly. Very good, Anvi. It is campus. I am sharing the screen. On the board, I am writing the answers as well, okay? So that you people don't face any problem. Okay, we are doing page 163, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then A exercise, first one. First one is option B, right? I am writing like this. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to second.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Tanishka, read out the statement.
Yes, ma'am. Desh is a cold desert. Ma'am, एक कमा.
आटा कमा?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं बेटा.
Ma'am, Sahara.
Sahara
Ma'am,
is-
can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Sahara is a hot desert.
Ma'am, Patagonia.
Yes, it is Patagonia. Patagonia is a cold desert. That is option C, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, coming to third. Can we have Dhruv reading out? Yes, Dhruv, tell.
Which of the following trees is not found in the temperate deciduous forest? Ma'am, rosewood.
Yes, rosewood is not a part of the temperate deciduous forest. So option A would be the correct answer. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Coming to fourth one. Can we have Adya Gupta answering?
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Okay. Aditya Tiwari? Aditya Tiwari, are you there? Devansh Gangwal? Devansh, are you there?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta. Tell.
Ma'am, Australia.
Yes, marsupials are found in Australia. Very good. Option D. Fifth one. Who is going to tell? Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one.
Okay, ma'am. Citrus fruit trees are found in dash forest. Ma'am, this ma'am tiger forest.
नहीं बेटा.
Ma'am, Mediterranean.
Yes, it is Mediterranean. Very good, bro. Very good. It is Mediterranean. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Now coming to the B exercise. B is match the following, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, here are some names of the animals. You need to match them with the countries where they are found. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So, Dhruv, very good. Yes. Manhir, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, Manhir, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Where do we find jaguars?
Ma'am, USA.
USA. Yes, jaguars are found in USA. Very good.
Can I tell the second one?
Yes.
Ma'am, ostrich found in Australia.
Yes, ostriches are found in Australia. Very good. For first, it is B. Sorry. For second, it is option D. Okay, third one, bisons. Where do we find bison?
Ma'am, Botswana.
Botswana, are you sure?
Ma'am, Europe.
Huh?
Russia.
Ma'am, Europe.
Ma'am, Russia.
Ma'am, Russia.
बाइसन ब्राजील में तो नहीं है?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I think ma'am it's in named at Brazil.
हाँ जी. Yes, anybody in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Where do we find bisons?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Russia.
Brazil.
Russia.
Ma'am, Russia. Russia.
Beta, first one we have done wrong. Jaguars are not found in USA.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wolves are found in USA.
Beta, see, jaguars are found in.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am. Bisons are
Hmm?
Bisons are found in ma'am Europe.
But beta, we don't have Europe written over here, no? We are given the names of the countries.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the table of 160, the first one, it is written bisons are found in northeastern USA.
हाँ, तो USA होगा bison का. ठीक है? Bison is USA, option B. Right? Chalo, option fourth one, wolves. Where do we find wolves?
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, Russia.
Huh?
ma'am Russia.
Hmm. Not Russia, but Botswana. Right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the first one?
We are doing it. Wait. Just a second now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, class. Are you there? Yes, Dhruv. Anvi, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Anvi, Dhruv?
No, ma'am.
Dhruv wants to.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, wolf are found in Russia.
Ma'am, wolves are found in Brazil.
Wolves are found in Russia. Wolves are found in Russia. Okay. Jaguars are found in Brazil. Right? Bisons are found in USA.
Yes, ma'am.
Wallaby are found in Botswana. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Coming to the C exercise. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Who is going to tell the first one?
May I?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Yes, Prasoon. Let
Plants and
yes, Prasoon.
Plants and animals cannot adapt themselves to their habitat. Ma'am, false. And plants and animals can adapt themselves to their habitat.
Yes. C first is false.
False.
And what rectification you will do? They can. Adapt, right? Second, coniferous trees yield soft wood. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
It is true.
True.
Yes. We have soft trees in coniferous forests. It is true. Next. Who is going to tell the third one? Adya?
Ma'am, I
Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, tree in the temperate deciduous forest shed their leaf in summer. Ma'am, it is false.
It is true, beta.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's false. And they
yes,
shed their
ma'am.
leaves in autumn.
Yes, ma'am.
Temperate deciduous. The temperate deciduous, okay. They shed leaves in autumn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So third is false. And the correct answer is in autumn. Right? Who is doing this? Hanji. Okay. The fourth one is fur bearing animals are found in the taiga and tundra. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
It is true. They are found in tundra.
Ma'am, tiger.
Tundra, it is written tundra, beta. In tundra. Right? So fourth one is false. And the correct answer is only tundra. Right? Fifth. Xerophytic
Ma'am,
vegetation
fourth
is
one.
found. हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, fourth one is true.
Beta, they have written taiga and tundra both. So it will be false. They are found only in the tundra region. Right?
Ma'am, here it is written fur-bearing animals like fox, lynx, sable, and mink are found in coniferous forest, also called taiga.
Yes, ma'am. I was also seeing that.
I'm true only, and fourth one is true only.
Ma'am,
Just a second.
page number 159, ma'am, second last.
Okay, it is correct. Fine, it is true. Fifth one.
And fifth one is false.
Fifth one. Xerophytic vegetation is found in the hot deserts. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. I hope all have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let us come to the blanks. D, exercise. First, second, third, fourth. Sorry, fourth and fifth. Okay, who is going to tell the first one?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta.
A region with naturally occurring flora and fauna that have adapted themselves to their environment forms a habitat.
Forms a habitat. Very good. Can't we call it a biome? Why habitat?
That's my biome. Biome.
बेटा it is a biome. Habitat जो है वो तो आपका क्या होता है देखो. It is given over here on page number 158. Wildlife refers to the various species of animals which live in a natural habitat. Biome on page number 156, fourth line, right hand side. A region with naturally occurring flora and fauna that have adapted themselves to their environment forms a biome. Right?
Ma'am, may I tell the one?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. The main species of Mediterranean trees are pine, fir, spruce, and cedar.
The main species of dash trees are pine, fir, spruce, and cedar. Which species of which trees? Which forest?
Ma'am, Mediterranean.
No,
Huh?
ma'am.
Coniferous.
Ma'am, coniferous
It
forest.
is coniferous. It is coniferous. Yes.
Not taiga.
Yes, coniferous. It is coniferous. Next. We can put in brackets as taiga, right? Third one. Who is going to tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta.
The temperate grasslands of Africa are called downs.
अफ्रीका की क्या कहलाते हैं?
Ma'am, savanna.
Yes,
Wells.
savanna.
Veld.
नहीं बेटा, वेल्स तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के हैं. सवाना.
Welds, VELD, in South Africa.
तो बेटा ये तो अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट का पूछ रहे हैं ना, तो अफ्रीका में तो इट इज सवाना. ओके, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, फोर्थ वन. Dash is a flightless bird of South America.
Emu.
हाँ, Kimu.
Emu.
Kimu, exactly. Emu. Beta, emu is this? Emu. E-M-U. Fine. Fifth one. Seals and walruses are found in the seas of the dash region.
Ma'am, Tundra region.
Yes, of the tundra region. Very good. Okay, coming to the short question answers. What do you mean by natural vegetation?
Ma'am, the natural vegetation of an area means the plants that grow naturally in that area.
Yes, from where have you given this definition?
In page number
On
156,
page number
natural
156.
vegetation.
Yes, the natural vegetation of an area means the plants that grow naturally in that area. Page 156, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all underlined?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell the next one?
Yes, Tanishka.
Yes, ma'am. Where are tropical evergreen forests found? The tropical evergreen forests are found in the equatorial region, Amazon and Orinoco Basin in South America, Congo Basin in Africa, Southeast Asian countries.
Very good. Page number 159. Table, first one, equatorial regions, Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America, Congo basin in Africa, Southeast Asian countries. Hope all have underlined.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Can we have next answer? Netik?
Yes, ma'am.
the
What
next-
is lumber?
Hmm?
Why is lumbering an important occupation in the coniferous forest? Ma'am,
Yes,
1
then.
minute.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Anybody for it?
And coniferous forests have tall evergreen trees with valuable softwood. And they are ideal for lumbering.
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am,
page
where it is given?
Page 162. Recapitulation. Seventh point. Right? Got it, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Ma'am, may I tell the fourth answer?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, may I tell the fourth answer?
Tell, beta, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Differentiation between evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Evergreen forest. These forests are so named as there is no particular season for the trees to shed all their leaves. Therefore, these forests remain green all through the year. Evergreen forests can be divided into four groups: tropical, temperate, Mediterranean, and coniferous. Deciduous forest. In these forests, most of the trees shed their leaves at a particular time of the year, usually during the dry season. This is done to prevent the loss of water from leaves by transpiration. Deciduous forests can be divided into two groups: tropical or temperate.
Very good. On page number 157. Got this answer? Page 157.
Ma'am, we have to write full paragraph.
Yes, beta, in 2 points. Right? Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Why have some
Ma'am,
wildlife
can I?
species become endangered? Yes, Dhruv?
May
Yes, Prasun want to answer or Dhruv want to answer?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Aradhya?
The never-ending human greed for skin, fur, ivory, horns, and other animals' products has led to animals in many parts of the world. A number of species have become endangered. That's why a number of species have become endangered.
Very good. A number of species have become endangered because the never-ending greed for skins, fur, ivory, horns, and other animal products has led to reckless hunting of animals in many parts of the world. This will be your answer, right? Right, class?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chaliye, let us move on to the next part. That is F. Where
Ma'am,
are-
please tell the answer again.
Beta, answer is a number of species have become endangered from the, some wildlife species have become endangered from the question itself because the never-ending human greed for skins, fur, ivory, horns, and other animal products has led to reckless hunting of animals in many parts of the world. Right? Got it? Page 162.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Today, Uzair is not saying anything, not giving any answer, Uzair. What happened?
Ma'am,
Yes, Tanishka.
ma'am, your voice is coming low.
Maybe your network issue is there, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Where are coniferous forests located? What types of trees are found here? From the table, you will get this answer, okay?
Ma'am, coniferous for may I answer?
Yes, yes. Dhruv.
Ma'am, present.
Sorry, Prasun. Sorry, bacha. Tell bacha.
Coniferous forests are found between 55 and 70 degree latitude in northern hemisphere.
Yes. The coniferous forests are found between 55 and 70 degrees latitude in northern hemisphere.
Pine, fir, spruce, larch, cedar
Huh.
are found in these forests.
Very good. Pine, fir, spruce, larch, cedar. These are the trees which are commonly found in coniferous forests, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us come to the next question. Compare the tropical and the temperate grasslands under the following headings. Areas, natural vegetation. Grasslands, tropical and temperate, given in the table. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tropical and temperate. So which all areas are there that you have to specify, and the vegetation type. The tree.
Ma'am, please again.
Beta, page 160.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 160.
Yes,
Tropical
ma'am.
grasslands and temperate grasslands. Areas you have to write, and the trees that are found you have to write. Okay.
Ma'am, tropical grasslands and ma'am temperate grasslands.
Yes, about both you have to write.
Ma'am, so ma'am, we have to differentiate between both of
Yes,
them.
yes, you have to differentiate, draw in a table form. The way it is given in the book, that way only you can write.
So ma'am, we have to write about areas and trees only.
Yes, areas and trees only, because they have asked for areas and trees only.
Ma'am, so we have to write only tropical grasslands, or ma'am, also called savanna in Africa,
Everything.
granulos.
This whole thing you are going to write, because you may get a question also from there. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Now
Now
I
coming-
can tell the next answer.
Very good, Uzair. Describe the type of vegetation found in deserts.
Yes, ma'am. The vegetation found in desert is the xerophytic vegetation which can adapt to the hot, dry climate.
Yes, the desert vegetation is xerophytic vegetation is found which can adapt to the hot, dry climate, thorny bushes, shrubs, coarse grasses. Whole thing you need to write, okay?
Ma'am,
Okay.
where is the written?
Beta, page 160 on the table. Second last desert is given, no, desert vegetation from there.
Ma'am, from hot deserts like.
Yes. No, only the characteristics you have to write. Areas
Okay,
you
ma'am.
don't have to write, only the characteristics, Naitik.
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to the next question. Explain why forests are considered an important natural resource.
May I answer?
Yes, Prasul?
May I answer?
Yes, please answer.
Forests are an important natural resource. They are useful to us in a number of ways. They provide us with timber and a host of other products like lac, resin, gums, medicinal herbs, leaves, honey, etc. Forests help in maintaining the ecological balance by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They cause rainfall and prevent floods and soil erosion. They also provide natural habitat to various species of wildlife.
Very good, Prasul. This whole paragraph on page 161, conservation of forest. Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, from where to where?
Yes, ma'am.
I am telling you, forests are an important natural resource from here till wildlife in 2 points. In 2 points. Okay, Dhruv?
Ma'am, till species of wildlife.
Yes, till species of wildlife into 6 points. This whole paragraph you will write into 6 points. Nobody will write paragraph as it is. Okay? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I hope all these answers are clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
G part
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
do in the G part we will do in the next class that we will have, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye.
Ma'am, this answer 5 points.
There are only 5 points.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is fine.